Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Let's see about how to install Otter Browser 0.9.04 version on Linux Mint 18.3. First of all, Otter Browser is an open source lightweight internet browser similar to the good old Opera version of 12 browser with interface developed in Qt51 WebKit. It will allow to load plugins on demand. It will order to go to page if you while press F2 button. It will allow to customize menu bar and using a JSON file. The Otter browser it is not available on PPA repository, so we have to download the other web packages from the SourceForge websites. Then you have to install. First we go download a package. The package is downloading now. The downloading process was completed. Then we have to install a package using a downloaded package. Here you have to install the package. Here you have to press Y to proceed the process. The installation is going on. The installation was completed. Now we have, if you want to know the what is the version, you have to install the Otter browser package just using following this command -v. It will show on the what is the version you have to install. Then we have to open the Otter browser using this following command. The browser is open now. The browser it will have a lot of customized configuration to browsing and to get while downloading process. These are all the installation process about Otter browser 0.9.09 on Linux Mint 18.3. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. To more further videos, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.